Victor Spiritual Teachings, Chapter 13, Grief. Few people go through life without experiencing a loss of some kind. It can be a loss of close relatives and friends, loss of employment, or loss of property. This creates a lot of grief that comes over the person and has a great impact on them. And then a grieving process begins that can last for different lengths of time for each person. Grief is a debilitating feeling that creates numbness, takes willpower away from the person, and often makes the desire to live disappear. A lot of tension builds up in the body, and it is as if a large slab settles on the person's chest. Many people's appetite disappears, and their sleeping habits are disrupted. All of this is a normal reaction that appears in the event of a loss of some kind. It is important to be aware of the grief and allow it to come, as with other emotions in different circumstances that earthly life has to offer. It is one of the soul's tasks to learn to deal with sorrows and traumas that often appear without warning. The best cure for grief is crying, which releases the tension in the body that grief creates. It also releases and works on grief. Therefore, it is normal to have to cry time and time again during the grieving process. It is the best to let the crying come, and it is important not to keep it down. It is the body's response to grief. Many people have a tendency to keep the crying down and not allow themselves to cry, but this only postpones processing the grief. This keeps it down, and it can sit in the body for years to come. It can come up again and again and create the suffering and distress that has been described here. It is best to allow yourself to cry and thus release the grief in your chest, and gradually the grief disappears, and what remains are memories of a good times with those who have left. Good memories live in the heart and can always be called up to reminisce about good times from the past. One of the more important aspects of spiritual opening is to release old sorrows and griefs from the past, and most people feel old sorrow in their chest. It is important to clear out all sorrows and thus create space so that God's energy can flow freely through the body and the heart. It is good to sit down as if in meditation, close your eyes and go over your life in your mind from childhood to the present day. In this way, old griefs from the past can be found. It is important to be aware of the feelings that comes up in the chest when reviewing the course of life in the mind. Old grief from the past is not hidden if it comes to mind, because then a surge occurs in the chest and the mild symptoms as described above can reappear. When relieving old griefs from the past, it is important to think strongly about the events that caused the grief to achieve crying, because this is how old sorrows can be wept out and cleared from one's past. This process can take time, and it is a challenging task, but there is no way around this process, because it is a big part of the inner cleansing that needs to take place in the spiritual opening. It is also important in the future of the coming loss to go through the grieving process and allow yourself to cry and thus finish the grieving process so that the grief does not stay in the body for years to come. It is part of being aware of yourself and your feelings. But always being aware is one of the things that is well learned during spiritual opening. Trauma and loss are part of earthly life, and it is the task of the soul to learn to deal with them properly and avoid letting them hold a person down and cause suffering for years to come.